I'm testing a new app for iPhone. It's called TickleMeThink. Think differently, do better. Here is a welcome screen. Tells me 4 different steps that I must take in using the app. Capture ideas as they occur. Don't censor anything. Have fun, it says. So I get started. So the first screen is how do I add my problem statement. Okay, there is a title there which I say is new business. And my problem is get new business and clients. So I go next, and now my problem statement is saved, and I continue. I have a few new ideas on my own, 5 ideas on my own, which I enter here. The first is to talk to my former colleagues. I save the idea, and I continue with my ideas. Look at past records and locate former clients who have not done any business with me in the last 2 years. I save that idea. Then I continue with one more idea of my own. Talk to former clients from my agency days. I used to work for an agency called Ogilvy and Mather. Save that. Now I go to look at new ideas. So I can see there are some videos available as tutorials. I select action verbs. I get a random selection. And I settle down on reopen. So I start entering my ideas. I look at proposals that I submitted. And are still pending. So I can reopen discussions on this. Maybe I can land an assignment through this. Save the idea. Go to the next one. I try action verbs again, and I get some more random verbs. I settle on listen. Incidentally, the red dot you see there is a device through which you can actually record your voice instead of keying in your idea. So my idea is, what if I had one-to-one meetings with prospective clients or prospects? Call these meetings the listening meetings. Listen to what is bugging them now. What problems are they facing? That could give me a foot in the door, perhaps. Save that. Now I try, go for some more new ideas, and this time I pick up something called jolts. Jolts are tough questions. So these are thrown at random, and I'm looking at these. And okay, what strengths and talents do you have that others do not have? What does that suggest? What ideas do that suggest? Okay, I'm going for this. Write well. I think I speak well. Maybe I should get into the speaking business. And that can open new doors. Then I go to quotes. I see several quotes thrown at random again. And I see an Einstein quote which says the true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. I like that. What if I conducted a webinar on how to ignite your imagination? Invite all my current clients, past clients, and prospects too. After the webinar or workshop, mail the link for the recording to the video recording. Yeah, and ask for meetings for follow up. I save the idea, go for some new ideas now, and this time I'm going for a visual. So there is some random interesting visuals there, going at random, and then yeah, okay. I settled on this railway tracks. I have always loved trains, and railway tracks have some magic for me. So I pick up the railway tracks, and the first idea I get from there that's triggered on my mind is I should continue the current work with dedication, like a train goes on the track with discipline. But then change tracks to show results that beat expectations. So discipline of staying on tracks and changing tracks where necessary, save the idea. I go to the next one called Call a Friend. I go through my contact list. That's what the app does. Go through it and finally select our wedding caterer. Based on the talk with him, I get some ideas. One is to make the experience of working with me so delightful and deliver results beyond expectations. That's what my friend does all the time, and he gets a lot of word of mouth business. So this will generate new business. Save that idea. Then I review what I've got. I got 9 ideas, and I go for one more for web search. I just check get new clients in the search. Some interesting articles there, and I check some of these 10 creative tips to attract new customers, 10 creative tips to attract new customers, and so on. So I get some thoughts there, ideas. So one is to contribute articles to websites and magazines for entrepreneurs, and by that become familiar with them. They become familiar with me. Okay, so I just review how many ideas I got. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, is it? Yeah, 10 ideas. I have got 10 ideas, out of which I think I had 3 ideas on my own. Now is this introduction to the creator of this app, and there is an offer that he makes on tips to how to process your ideas further.